At Enright McFerrin, we specialize in business intelligence, inventory management, and profitability modeling, helping businesses make smarter decisions. Traditional reports may contain all the right data, but if they're not easy to interpret, they lose value. That's where businesses waste time and money. We developed the Business Trinity Chart, a visual tool that highlights key performance insights instantly, so you know where to focus your attention. Every business decision needs balance between three key elements: revenue, margin, and inventory. If one is off, profitability suffers. The Business Trinity Chart gives an instant read on these factors with context versus business expectations. With a glance, you can identify key performance gaps, focus on what matters, and take immediate action. That means less time decoding data and more time making informed and profitable decisions. Let's simplify decision-making. Get started today.